Good day. My name is Munir Ajam, and I'm the founder and CEO of Uruk Project Management. From June 8 to 12 of this year, I am leading a workshop under the name of Applied Project Management. Now, in this workshop, we cover a methodological process that allow organization to lead project from product vision or from the need, the vision of the project all the way until it's initially operating, and the organization have the ability to perform the final assessment of project success. Now, in this workshop, we use a concept or an approach called project-based learning. What does that mean? A project-based learning means we invite the participant to come to class with a project in mind. Either they have a real project they want to work on, maybe they are startup founders, or maybe they work on a company and they're starting a new project. They could be new to project management or have been practicing project management for a while. So they come to class, they come to the workshop with a project in mind. And if they don't have a project in mind, we will come up with some kind of a realistic project to work on in the workshop. And then the way we do it, we explain the methodological process and all its layer, including, for example, the 4 dimension of project success. How do we measure and assess performance along the life cycle of the project? But in general, we follow a life cycle that starts with the need and development of the business case. Then we go into a feasibility study, then defining the business technical and other requirement, and then into maybe more proper planning and definition. And of course, that depends on whether the project is suitable for iterative incremental development or whether it is suitable for sequential development. It doesn't really matter. We still have to follow the life cycle, at least in the initial stages, such as, again, conducting the business case and feasibility study and defining requirement before we get into the actual development of the product. So in the workshop, we follow that sequence, we follow that process, and with every step, the participant will have the chance to practice what they're learning immediately, including our coaching and mentoring as they go through their own project. So in a way, this is a training course, but at the same time is an indirect consultancy. So basically the participant, especially if they come as like 2 or 3 people from the same company, the participant will be able to take with them a tailored method for the type of the project they work on. So join us. I will share the links to the workshop in the comments. It's June 8 to 12. And yours truly will be leading the workshop. Thank you.